everybody, welcome back to Smoking with the Smiths. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to make smoked spinach artichoke dip on the Pit Boss KC combo. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment below what your favorite dips are, and maybe we'll try them in an upcoming episode of Smoking with the Smiths. So now, come on in here and we'll show you the ingredients that you need for spinach artichoke dip. Okay, so we're going to use our KitchenAid stand mixer today to mix these ingredients together before we put it in the pan that we're going to be smoking it in. So we're going to go ahead and start with an 8-ounce block of room temperature cream cheese. Then we have 1 cup of sour cream. A 13-ounce can of artichokes, roughly chopped. One teaspoon of minced garlic. A half cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And about a teaspoon of each of salt and pepper. Now we're going to mix it up. We want it to be a little thicker than this, so we're going to add another 8-ounce block of cream cheese and mix it. Now it's time to add our spinach. We're using fresh spinach, but you can also use frozen if you'd like to. Just make sure that you get as much water out of it as you can. So we're going to add 12 ounces here of steamed spinach. Now we're going to mix this on low. All our ingredients mixed together in our mixing bowl. We're going to spread our spinach artichoke dip out evenly in our aluminum baking pan here. Take the rest of our mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it over the top. You should have about a half a cup left, but I'm just going to put on as much as it takes to cover up the top of this dip. Okay guys, so I have the smoker set to 250 degrees. I've got mesquite pellets in the smoker just because I made steaks the other night and that's just what happens to be still in the smoker. So we're going to use mesquite pellets at 250 degrees. We're going to put this dip in, check it after about a half an hour and see what we have. So let's put it in. Alright guys, we've had the spinach artichoke dip on for about 45 minutes. The cheese is looking nice and melted. It's looking really good here. But we want to get it a little bit brown on the top. So I'm going to jack the temperature up here. We're going to go from 250 up to 350 and see if we can get some nice browning on that cheese there on the top layer. Alright guys, so we got our spinach artichoke dip here. You can see it got nice and brown on the top, the cheese getting nice and crispy all the way around the edges there, so it's looking good. We pulled it off the smoker, had it on there at 250 for 45 minutes, then cranked it up to 350 for a half an hour, total of 1 hour and 15 minutes on the smoker, and man, this stuff looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, there you have it. Spinach artichoke dip smoked on the KC combo. Let's give it a taste. It looks really good. Yep. It's really good. Very smoky, very creamy, nice and hot spinach artichoke dip. It was delicious. If you want to make this recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. If you want more similar recipes, visit our channel. We have tons of videos out there now. And until next time, we'll see you then.